Welcome to Byte Further. Today, we'll talk about how to fix iPhone 10 stuck on Apple logo. This video will be divided into 3 parts. What does it mean when iPhone 10 is stuck on Apple logo? Why is your iPhone 10 frozen on Apple logo in a black or white screen? How to fix iPhone 10 that is stuck on Apple logo. Now, let's start. First, what does it mean when iPhone 10 is stuck on Apple logo? When your iPhone 10 is stuck on Apple logo screen, it means that the device won't turn on fully or properly. All you see is the Apple logo stuck on the screen during startup. Usually, the Apple logo just remains stuck and won't get past and boot up to the home screen. If you get into a boot loop and see iPhone 10 flashing Apple logo on and off, click the card in the top right corner to see what to do. The second part, why is your iPhone 10 frozen on Apple logo? There are many issues that could cause your iPhone 10 to get stuck on Apple logo. If your iPhone 10 is stuck on a black screen with Apple logo after iOS update, the software update may fail. Sometimes, you might also have issues during updating, where the Apple logo is stuck on the screen with a loading bar. Sometimes, you're doing a restart or a hard reset, but your iPhone X won't get past the Apple logo to boot up because the storage is full. It's true that the system requires enough space to operate and work. Also, you run out of the battery and let iPhone 10 charge for a while. However, iPhone 10 stuck on Apple logo while charging. In this case, it could be a power issue. One more reason why your Apple iPhone 10 gets stuck on Apple logo is the hardware problem. For example, broken components after dropping, replacing the battery, or replacing a bad screen all can result in the stuck Apple logo issue. The third part, how to fix iPhone 10 that is stuck on Apple logo. For the hardware problems, you'll bring the stuck iPhone 10 to Apple Repair Center for examination. For the software-related issues, how to fix an iPhone 10 that is stuck on Apple logo can be broken down into 4 simple steps. Okay, first, step 1, force iPhone 10 to restart. When you can't get past the Apple logo screen during startup, there could be a system bug that prevents your iPhone 10 from booting up to the home screen. To clear it away, just do a forced restart to refresh the system. Using this method, you can fix the stuck Apple logo without losing data. So, how to reboot iPhone 10 stuck on Apple logo. You'll press and quickly release volume up button and volume down button. Next, keep holding the side button on the right side until Apple logo appears again on the screen again and the device boots up. Now, just follow me to do the button presses right. Press the volume up button then release. Press the volume down button then release. Then, press the side button and continue to hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds. Your iPhone 10 will shut down, with the screen going black for a while. Then, the display shows up Apple logo again. Let go of the button. Just wait and let your iPhone 10 get past the Apple logo screen to reboot. Now, it boots up to the lock screen. Enter the passcode to unlock it and you successfully fix iPhone X freezing on Apple logo. And the phone goes back to its normal state again. Step 2, check the charging cable and charger. If your iPhone 10 restarts but is stuck on Apple logo screen while charging, make sure the connection among the charging cable, charger, and wall power is stable. Then, clean the charging port under the iPhone 10. Next, switch to a known good charging cord and charger. Once done, charge your iPhone 10 again for more than 30 minutes. This time, your device should go past Apple logo and boot up to the home screen successfully. If not, just do a forced restart. Quick press the volume up button, the volume down button, and keep holding the side button until the black Apple logo appears on the screen. Step 3, how to fix iPhone 10 stuck on Apple logo with iTunes. If your iPhone 10 still won't go past the Apple logo, try updating the iOS software. Connect your iPhone 10 to a computer. Both a laptop and a desktop computer are okay. Then, open iTunes. If you're running a Mac computer running macOS 10.15 Catalina or above, launch Finder instead. Some users may complain that iPhone 10 got stuck on Apple logo screen and won't connect to iTunes or Finder. Worry not. You can fix it up by putting the device into recovery mode. It's easy. Press the volume up button then release. Press the volume down button then release. Then, press the side button and continue to hold it for around 20 to 30 seconds. You'll see the stuck Apple logo screen turning black. Then, Apple logo will come up again. Still holding the side button. Now, you'll see a connect to computer screen. Let go of the button and you're in recovery mode now. Okay, in iTunes or Finder interface, a dialog box should pop up. Choose the update option. Fret not. This step won't delete anything on your phone. Keep finishing the steps that follow. Then, iTunes or Finder will download the latest version of iOS software and install it into your iPhone 10. 3 to 4 hours are required, so please wait patiently. Once done, your iPhone 10 will restart, showing the black Apple logo on a white screen. Then, unlock the device and it goes back to working order again. You can see all your data are still there. Step 4, wipe clean iPhone 10. The final step to fix an iPhone 10 that gets stuck at the Apple logo and won't boot up is to do a factory reset. If you haven't backed up anything before, you will lose the data for good. If you do back up content, you can restore data back after the reset. Now, let's do it. Connect your iPhone 10 to a computer. Both a laptop and a desktop computer are okay. Then, open iTunes or launch Finder. Next, put the device into recovery mode. Press the volume up button then release. Press the volume down button then release. Then, press the side button and continue to hold it until you enter into recovery mode. Okay, in iTunes or Finder interface, choose Restore from the dialog box. Keep finishing the steps that follow to factory reset iPhone 10. When all is done, your iPhone 10 will reboot automatically. Just set it up or restore it from backups to use again. That's all how to fix iPhone 10 stuck on Apple logo. Hope this video can help your device get past Apple logo screen to work again. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.